Good evening everyone, myself Udit Singh Solanki. In this video I'm going to talk about how to send legal notice in India. So move to the next slide. Now we start with the introduction. In this presentation we cover the basic of legal notice and provides a step-by-step guide to help you send them effective legal notice, and by the end of this presentation you will be able to send legal notice with confidence and ensure that your message is heard. What is legal notice? Legal notice are written communication that are used to inform someone that they are in violation of law or contract. They are often the first step in resolving a legal issue and can be used in a variety of situations, including contract disputes, property violations, and more. Legal notice are an important tool for protecting your rights and ensuring that your voice is heard. Now move to the next slide. When to send a legal notice? It is very essential to know when to send a legal notice to someone. Knowing when to send a legal notice is crucial. You should send a legal notice when you want to inform someone that they are in a violation of law or contract and you want to give them an opportunity to remedy the situation before taking further action. Sending a legal notice can also be an effective way to start a negotiation or settlement process. Now move to the next slide. What to include in legal notice? It is very important to know that what are the material you should include in your legal notice. When drafting a legal notice, it is important to include specific information such as the date, reception name, address, a description of the violation, and a deadline for remedy. This situation you should also be clear and concise in your language and avoid emotional and accurate language. By including all the necessary information, you can ensure that your legal notice is effective and legally binding. Now move to the next slide. Sending a legal notice. When sending a legal notice, it is important to follow specific protocols such as using certified mail or email to ensure that you have received the notice, and you should also keep a copy of the notice for your record and be prepared to take further legal action if necessary. By following this protocol, you can ensure that your legal notice is delivered and your message is heard. So it is very important to keep in mind these things when you're sending a legal notice to someone. Now, by conclusion, sending legal notice can be a daunting task, but with the right knowledge and preparation, you can send them with the confidence and ensure that your message is heard. Remember to include all necessary information for a specific protocol and be prepared for further action if necessary. By using legal notice effective, you can protect your right and resolve legal issues in a timely and professional manner. So it is very important to send a legal notice uh, to a person when you have infringement of rights in your case. Thank you. Thank you everyone.